Hello, happy Sunday. I will find you all fitting well. It's another glorious day today. The sun is shining. It's beautiful out there. We had Holly and her partner's dog overnight because they had things they were doing this weekend. And I was down by the river first thing this morning, taking the dog for a walk before 8 o'clock. Oh, it was beautiful. The sun was shining. It went up. The river went up, but the sun was still shining on what water there was in the river. I think it was on its way up. And there was little ducks having a swim. Oh, it was lovely. It was so tranquil and peaceful. It was lovely. It was really nice having a little walk like that this morning. It's good for my legs. After yesterday, my knees were aching. I needed that walk just to keep myself going. They needed the exercise. Limber them up. I got some birthdays. I'd like to wish, and it's all ladies, Laura Dexter and Claudia Parkhouse. Happy birthday, ladies. I hope you've had a wonderful day and that you've been spoilt rotten and that you've had plenty of birthday cake. And if it is your birthday, and I'm mentioned by name, happy birthday to you too. I hope you've had a wonderful day. Tonight's song was performed by Johnny Nash. I was going to ask Alexa just now, what year did Johnny Nash perform this song? But I forgot. Anyway, I'm going to play a song called I Can See Clearly Now, and it goes something like this. I can see clearly now the rain has gone. I can see all obstacles in my way. Gone are the dark clouds that had me blind. It's gonna be a bright, bright, sunshiny day. It's gonna be a bright, bright, sunshiny day. I think I can make it now, the pain has gone. All of the bad feelings have disappeared. Here is the rainbow I've been praying for. It's gonna be a bright, bright, sunshiny day. Look all around, there's nothing but blue skies. Look straight ahead, nothing but blue skies. I can see clearly now the rain has gone. I can see all obstacles in my way. Gone are the dark clouds that had me blind. It's gonna be a bright, bright, sunshiny day. It's gonna be a bright, bright, sunshiny day. It's gonna be a bright, bright, sunshiny day. There you have it. I can see clearly now, as played by me on my trusted ukulele. I thought it was quite nice actually, singing about a sunshiny day today when the sun is shining. I'm going to go now because it's Sunday, and Sundays I'd like to do my Zoom meeting with the Bristol Ukulele Club Band. So on that note, I'm going to say goodbye, God bless. Continue to look after one another, and most importantly, continue to stay safe. And until the next time, lots of love.